Hello everyone, welcome. So today what we'll be discussing is concave mirror and convex mirror along with their uses. So in concave mirror if I come, you find that all the lights gets focused or they get accumulated at the focus. Alright. So herein we saw various kinds of images that is formed by concave mirror. So those are the applications that we have. So dentist mirror, so dentists are seeing the teeth which is within the cavities, and enlarged image of the cavities. We are getting a very enlarged image when I have the object between the focus and the pole. So dentists are using that to have a very big image, very enlarged image. Again, in torches and headlights, the light is at the focus, so you will have a huge number of parallel beams coming out. So they produce strong light. In the shaving mirrors that you have, the magnifying mirrors that is there, you have a very closer view. You can see your wounds or everything quite enlarged. Again, focus or something which is there, so that is there. And solar cookers also, accumulation of a lot amount of heat and light, the light and the heat produced, that gets accumulated basically in the solar cookers. So these are the uses in the concave mirror. Whereas what happens in the convex mirror, we have seen that in convex mirror the beams tend to meet at the focus. Okay, so herein we have rear view mirrors that is there, so we have a wider range view, we have very small images that is there. Security cameras that you find in shops and all these security mirrors which is there at the corners, road safety mirrors, all those things, they give a very short and a wider view of the place in and around, so that I can see a very huge area within. So that are the uses of the concave mirror and convex mirror that we have. So that's it. Thank you.